Daily trading mindset tip. Before starting your trading day, take a few minutes for meditation with calm music. During this meditation, visualize yourself in different trading situations, moving your stop loss unnecessarily, shifting your take profit without a plan, overtrading and taking impulsive trades. Now gently remind yourself during meditation, I'll not overtrading. I'll not move my stop loss without reason. I'll place my stop and TP at the right levels. By practicing this in meditation, you'll start to reprogram your habits. Step by step, these good habits in your mind will turn into discipline in real trading. Trading isn't only about charts, it's about mastering your psychology.